So he's no stranger to us, folks. He's an author, a dub poet, philosopher, among other things, and I claim him as my friend, whether I'm like it or not. Yasus Afari joins us now with his daughter, Mick, to tell us about their relationship and their latest project. Morning to you both. Welcome, Bridget.
Good morning, Neville.
All is well?
Good morning, Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Hey, Mick, how are you?
I'm good.
Well, Mick, I'm meeting you for the first time. I know your dad very well, so I'm going to start with you. Tell me, what kind of father is your dad?
I think my father is a good and kind dad.
He's kind?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And he's good?
Yes.
Yeah? What's good about him?
Well, he says nice things to me.
Well, that's good enough.
And that's good.
Yeah, him don't say too much nice things to me still, but he's my friend still. Yes, so walk on.
But then, even though you have bad talk,
No, man. You must tell me, say me your friend. So I'll ask you the same question. Tell me about Mick. What kind of young lady is she?
well, Micaiah, now, you need the whole morning and night to talk about that. But she's an excellent daughter.
Yeah.
She has empathy. She's respectful. She's disciplined. She's focused. She's so many good things, good attitude. She loves life. She loves fun. She likes to work. She likes study. She's an excellent daughter.
You've had reason to discipline her at any time at all, or no?
Not really, Here, what the relationship that we develop is one of reasoning. We value each other's opinion, what each other think, and so we talk things through and normally reach a consensus. She's someone who's objective and logical. Once you reason with her, she can identify and she'll respond accordingly.
Fantastic.
So no, we don't have a problem with discipline with me. Not really.
Fantastic. Tell me her name officially. You said Micaiah. Is that how it's pronounced?
Yes, Micaiah.
Mick, your dad is an outstanding performer, obviously, and I said he does so many things. Do you like performing, Mick?
Yeah, I really love performing.
Why? What about it that you love so much?
It's fun.
Oh, so you want to be like...
And I also like to perform to lots of people what I've been working on.
So you don't get nervous at all?
Kind of.
Oh, but
because there's a lot of people, like 1 million. I can't count it.
So you're not nervous that you might make a mistake when you're performing in front of so many people?
No.
Okay.
Well, I do make mistakes. I used to stutter a lot.
You used to, but you're kind of too young to be used to anything at all, So you don't, obviously you don't stutter anymore. How did you work that out?
Well, I'm not really sure. I guess because I got a little older, I still stutter sometimes, but not as much as I used to.
Oh, that's fantastic. And there is nothing wrong with that. You are doing brilliantly. So who came up with this idea for you guys to work together? Did Daddy say, I want you to work with me, or did you say, Daddy, I want to work with you? Who came up with that idea, Mick? Mick, the show soon done here, so you have to answer me.
Daddy.
Oh, he came up with it. Tell me about it. Tell me about this plain and simple. Tell me about it, Jesus.
Well, I was inspired one night at about 11:30, started to write it. Then, as usual, we share things with each other. So I shared it with Mick. She kind of liked it. And somehow, intuitively and otherwise, she inspired me, the hook as well. And she suggested and insisted that I change certain parts, and she gave her own ideas. And then she interpreted, after I explained to her, she interpreted the part, you could have screw till you blue and wrinkle, or smile till you spoil for your dimple. Can't violate for the temple. She kind of really loved that and made fun of it. And so that was what inspired the challenge now. And we did the challenge and put it on our social media pages, and people from around the world, maybe 20 odd countries and counting, started responding. And so, it was just before the release of the single, which was released on the 4th of June, Friday the 4th of June. We had a global launch, and it's available on all digital platforms, Spotify, Apple, and the rest, through Zodiac Worldwide. And then we did a video, and we have been getting tremendous response from the video and tremendous response worldwide to the father-daughter synergy and duo.
Yeah, when you said the challenge, what is the challenge?
Well, the challenge is to help to excavate the voice of people. So when they have that clip, you can't violate through the temple. That's a definitive statement. It's not up for negotiation, especially what is happening with women and children and the family and in the society generally. So we wanted people to give their own take of our take of it,
Yeah.
and to post it online. And so we get response. The first response we got was from Canada, and then all over Africa, Europe, USA, Canada, the Caribbean, Japan, and so on.
You, in a very serious way, you do serious work. You do social commentary, stuff like that. Is this serious work, or is this just fun for you and your daughter?
Well, as you know, Neville, we into edutainment, and especially my daughter is young. I don't want to burden her with too much issues. So we want to address serious issues, but do it in a fun, respectful, loving way. We not want to be aggressive or confrontational, even dealing with serious issues. So we want to make a fresh approach into caring and sharing our opinion, sharing our values, respecting other people. Like the song says, you can't violate our temple. We are not interested in violating anyone's temple. And we certainly will not tolerate the violation of our temple.
Yep.
And so it's kind of serious, but we do it in a fun way, respectful, that people can identify with.
Yeah. Mick, how old are you?
I'm 9.
You're 9, and you're obviously a very confident young lady. Where did that come from? Did daddy, you get that from daddy, or you just know that you are confident? Even though you say you get nervous, but you're obviously very confident. Talk to me about that.
Well, I think I got it from my parents.
You think?
No, I know.
Well, it's so good to see you both. You can share any of this song with me right now, or you don't want to do that? Yasus?
Mick, you share a bit with them. The fun part.
You could have screwed till you blue and wrinkled, or smile till you smile for your dimple. Oh no, not go violate for me temple. Make me turn on that plain and simple.
Oh, that is fantastic. Well, make me feel bad because he's about 300 years old and I can't do nothing like that. Me not feel so good. It is so good to see you. You can't laugh at me either, Mick, man. That's television.
I'm not laughing.
Yes, you're laughing at me. You can't do that. It's television.
But look here, you know why Mick took so long to answer 2 questions? I think Mick has a lot of things organically. Our ability to chant and us working together came naturally. And the confidence that she got from parents, it sort of came from the parents in terms of us nurturing that and recognizing that. But she has it organically, naturally as well.
Yeah.
And so she's blessed and highly favored because she has excellent mother. I would like to think an excellent father as well, grandparents and our school community. So it takes a village. Yeah. And she's a recipient of good love and good vibration from the extended family. And
I will finish with a question, the same question to you both. I'll ask Mick. Mick, how do you see, or where do you see yourself when you are 20 years old? You're now 9. Where do you want to be at 20? You want to be like your daddy, you just want to turn a doctor, forget this, what you want to do?
Well, I really want, I still want to perform on my dad's shows, because I really like doing that, and I also want to build up my YouTube channel.
Oh, fantastic! Yeah, so
I think she has her own YouTube channel called Mick Think.
No, get me more annoyed, because Mick, man, I can't do nothing like that. Yasus, I think I know the answer to this, because it doesn't look like you are pushing her in any way. I think you kind of just allow her, but where would you want to see her when she's 20, 25, 30? Where you want to see her?
Well, right. Mick is kind of a person with her own mind, and she's very focused. She knows what she wants. So we would want her realizing her full potential, or at least as close to the realization of her full potential in becoming who she's destined to be, who she wants to be, who she's purposed to be. And I'd be more than happy for her to continue to support what we are doing with Jamaica Poetry Festival and Poetry in Motion, and to perform if she likes to perform, and be a doctor, teacher, whoever she wants to be. That's fine with us.
Fantastic. Bridget, much love and respect. Mick, I love you. Really great to meet you. And next time you do something, put my name in there and say, Neville, Uncle Neville, whatever. Him is 400-year-old, but him not look so bad for a 400-year-old man. All right, Mick?
Okay.
All right. Neville, thank you very much. And to the TVJ family, thanks very much. Take care of yourself. Love and honor.
Much
on
love
behalf of myself and Mick as well.
Stay safe. God bless. See?
Thank you.
Mick.
Bye.
Remember, Mick. Uncle Neville, don't leave me out of the thing. All right. Yasus Afari. He's an author, a dub poet, philosopher, and his daughter Micaiah. What a wonderful story just now. I love it. Our elderly in Jamaica, well, Kimmy was taking care of the elderly this man and she stopped. So remember I tell you Kimmy nice and thing, I take back all of that. She's not that nice anymore. But in a very serious way, it's a serious discussion, and we're going to be speaking with Professor Elimaya Shira when we come back. Stay with us, please.